Good night, everyone. I'm here to debunk bankruptcy myths again, and our second myth or topic that we can discuss this evening is going to be debt consolidation, or negotiation of debt or debt negotiation. So in theory, what does that mean? When people are looking that up, what they're looking for is somebody that's going to talk to their creditors to work out a settlement for a reduced amount of what the person owes. And that's ideal. If you can negotiate that and you can work out a settlement so you can pay your debt, fantastic. The problem is, where that doesn't work is that creditors have no obligation to settle for less than what you owe them. So when you get a promise from any kind of company that says, we're going to make sure that you're going to pay X amount of money or this certain percentage, I doubt or wonder how it is they can know that the creditor is going to accept that, how they can know that these credit cards or these different creditors are going to accept whatever settlement that you would like. I mean, ideally, you know, if I had a choice, I'd want to pay half of what I owe if possible, but that doesn't always work that way, and sometimes things are too good to be true, and often that is the case where people will tell me, I paid so much to this agency, I wanted a debt negotiation, I wanted to settle my debt, and nothing's been resolved, and they took my money and nothing happened, and that's unfortunate. What we do know is that if we find out that your debts can't be settled with a negotiation of some kind, then if you do choose to do a Chapter 7 bankruptcy, for example, we know that if you're eligible and the debt is eligible and you get a discharge, you're done, and that we know for certain. So when possible, definitely it's something that I talk with clients about exploring. Let's look and see if that's something, some kind of settlement can be reached instead of doing a bankruptcy, because in most cases it should be your last option to resolve your debt. But if it can't be, then a bankruptcy is often a good solution. Unfortunately, it doesn't have the stigma that it carried before, and it really does allow you an opportunity to have a clean slate. So I'd love to meet with you. I'll definitely explore the option of talking about debt negotiation or debt settlement and see if that's a possibility, and resolve this in the best way that we can. And if that's if that requires a bankruptcy, then I'm certainly here to help you with that. The consultation is free, and I look forward to meeting with you and answering your questions. Thank you, and have a great night.